How to adjust the equalizer on Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, on your remote, press the menu button. Here in menu, go to settings. In settings, go to sounds. In sounds, go to sound mode settings. Here in sound mode settings, you can see here the equalizer. And if you want to adjust this equalizer, okay, go to this. And now you can see the adjustment. Okay, you can see the 120 HZ. So you can adjust to up or down this 120 HZ. And another, the 500 HZ, you can adjust up and down. And the 1.5K HZ, you can adjust this. And 5K HZ. And also the 10K HZ. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully adjust the equalizer on Devant Smart TV.